In this video, you will learn how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox. So firstly, open your browser and search Windows 11, then click on the Microsoft link. After that, select Windows 11 ISO file and click Download Now. Select your language and press Confirm. Then to download ISO file, click on 64-bit download. After the Windows 11 ISO have been downloaded, now to add the Windows ISO file image, open VirtualBox, press New, name it, now to select the ISO image, select Other, then select the downloaded ISO file, then check the box for Skip Unattended Installation. Provide hardware resources, usually around 40% max of your total resources. I have 16 GB of RAM and 8 CPU cores. I provided VirtualBox 4 GB and 1 CPU core, then select Finish. It will automatically start if it doesn't select Windows 11 and press Start Now. To start installation of Windows 11, select Language and hit Next, and then Install Now. If you have a product key, enter it, or else to skip, click on I don't have a product key to continue installation. Then select your desired edition of Windows and hit Next. Check the box and hit Next again. Select Install Windows Only and select the partition that is shown to you and press Next. This will start the installation of Windows 11. After the installation is finished, Windows will restart and wait till it's getting things ready. Select your country and keyboard layout. Now let's give a name to your device it will restart. Press Next and sign in to your Microsoft account, or you can skip by entering email like no@thankyou.com. Type any password. It will give an error. Just press Next. It will now create local account. Give a username and password. Select No, then click Accept. Same again. Now select Required Only, then click Accept. Then again No and click Accept. Same again. Now wait for Windows to load. Congrats, your Windows 11 is installed. If you want to enable full-screen mode for immersive experience, go to Devices and click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. Open your File Explorer, then this PC, open the CD drive, and select the application VBox Windows Editions. Give admin rights and install it for better resolution and full screen mode. After installation, reboot your Windows. Feta rebooting, go to View and select Full Screen Mode. Thank you for watching.